Hi everyone, Annabel Bateman here. I am putting together an A to Z of essential oils, and this is the video on Cypress. So I'm going to give you some information about our beautiful Cypress Essential Oil. Looks like this one in the bottle. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Cypress, about the oil, about how you can use it, the different benefits. So cypress, as you probably know, is a tree. It's a conifer tree. It's a beautiful big tree grown all around in different parts of the world actually, and is typically associated with that sort of that pine forest sort of, it's that sort of tree, you know, like this, a bit like a Christmas tree. With all the tree oils, particularly the large trees, like cypress is a large tree. Historically, I've read they can have grown up to 1,000 years old. And the cypress wood has been used for thousands of years for things like building. I think I read it was St. Peter's Basilica, one of the big doors was built with cypress wood. Many cemeteries have cypress trees planted in them. Many coffins actually are made of cypress. Cypress, it says in the Bible that Noah was to make the ark out of cypress wood. So it's a very strong, sturdy, long-lasting wood. So I think when you're talking about the essential oils, it's important to think about where they come from, the tree, the flower, the root, the bark, because that actually tells us something about how to use those oils. So being a tree, like many of the other tree oils, it's very grounding and calming. So when you think about forest, big forests, there's now talk about the concept of going forest bathing or forest walking, because it actually helps ground and calm and helps with your respiration and lowering stress levels, because it's just so soothing to be part of nature in that way. So cypress, being one of the tree oils, is soothing, calming, grounding, in its general sort of general application. I'm going to actually show you a little, just a quick little thing that I've put together about cypress. This is only a very small amount of what cypress can do, but cypress can be used for your skin. And in fact, particularly good if your skin is prone to that oily skin. You can add it into your toner if you use a toner. I was about to do that with my Virage toner. I don't know if you can see that in the little side window, but Virage is a beautiful skincare collection that doTERRA makes. And then I noticed on the back that cypress is actually one of the essential oils already added into here. But you could certainly take the lid off and just add one or two, maybe 2, 3 extra drops, give it a little shake if you wanted to boost the cypress in that. So beautiful for your skin. You could also mix it with a carrier oil and use it as part of your skincare regime. As I said before, great for calming and grounding, so beautiful to put in the diffuser. There are lots of different cypress diffuser essential oil blends that you can just Google to give you some inspiration, but I quite like to often mix the woods and the citrus oils. So cypress goes nicely with lime or grapefruit or tangerine. To me, that's a nice fresh, uplifting sort of blends. But if you wanted more soothing, calming, and really pull out those elements of cypress, you could blend them with other woods like cedar wood or Siberian fir or Douglas fir, or things like lavender or manuka. So there's lots of different options when you're putting essential oils in a diffuser. What else can we use it for? We can mix it with a carrier oil like our fractionated coconut oil and apply it to your tired legs. If you get those sort of twitchy, restless legs like I do when I'm really tired, there's a few different oils I find work for settling those restless legs. So for me, frankincense often works, ice blue, and cypress. Cypress is actually one of the ingredients in Aroma Touch, which is our massage or spa blend. So cypress is a great one to mix with some carrier oil, rub it on your legs before you hop into bed if you're prone to that sort of twitching sort of muscles. Also a nice one to put on your muscles before a workout to give you a bit of energy and soothing for your muscles. So that's some information on that. I'm just going to stop that share. So what else can I tell you about Cypress? Great. Like all the other tree oils, I said, like soothing for your respiratory system, so nice for calming breathing. I've just made a few notes here. I think I've told you most of those. You can certainly get, often recommend getting online and doing a bit of a deeper research into some of these oils, partly because with doTERRA, we really want to make sure that the information that I provide you is compliant with the regulations with doTERRA. So we can't make any claims around it treating, preventing, curing certain diseases or ailments. So you can, though, get online and do a bit more of a broader research and see a little bit more of what is possible. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the emotional side of Cypress. So this is from this Emotions and Essential Oils book. All the essential oils do have emotional components. We're complex beings, aren't we? We're body, mind, soul, spirit. So these oils affect us in all those different ways. So Cypress is the oil of motion and flow. It's great if you're feeling a bit stuck or stagnant. Cypress is a great one to diffuse, to, just to help move past some of that stagnation. It works, it says here, it works in the heart and the mind to create flexibility, teaches the soul how to let go of the past by moving with the flow. It's easy for those of us who are, that kind of controlling type A, often personalities or perfectionists, to really get a bit stuck. So Cypress can be a nice soothing oil to help move that flow and get past those things. So yeah, really great for that sort of flexibility, flow, trust, those types of things. So there we go. There's some information about Cypress. Highly recommend you add it to your essential oil collection, because it's really just one of those nice ones to pull out when you needing that calming, soothing, and all those different things that I've talked about today. So if you like this video, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you are notified when others in the A to Z series become available. And if you want to share it, feel free to share it. And if you, I guess if you need help with essential oils, please contact me if you're not already connected to doTERRA and haven't been working with someone else. I'd love you to join my awesome oily community, is what I call it. So just connect with me via annabelbateman.com, and I would love to help set you up and get you started with essential oils. Thanks everyone. Bye.